Thank you for calling Golden Horizon Hotel and Restaurant. This is Jason De La Cruz, your front desk associate. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I'd like to make a room reservation.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Joyce Ann Katangi.
Thank you, Miss Katangi. May I have your contact number in case we need to reach you?
Yes, it's 0917-234-5678.
Got it. May I know your check-in date and how many nights you'll be staying?
I'd like to check in on September 15 and stay for 2 nights.
Perfect. And how many guests will be staying in the room?
2 adults.
Would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
Non-smoking, please.
Noted. Do you have any special requests such as room preference or additional services?
Yes, if possible, I'd like a room with a sea view.
Wonderful. To confirm, Ms. Katangi, that's one deluxe room, non-smoking with a sea view for 2 adults. Check-in on September 15 and check-out on September 17. Your contact number is 0917-234-5678. Is everything correct?
That's perfect. I'll reserve you.
Thank you, Ms. Katangi. Your reservation is now confirmed. Kindly bring a valid ID upon check-in. Our check-in time starts at 2 p.m. and check-out is at 12 noon. Should you have any further requests, please don't hesitate to call us.
Thank you very much for your assistance.
You are most welcome. Thank you for choosing Golden Horizon Hotel and Restaurant. We look forward to serving you. Have a wonderful day.